Hello student, today we are going to start our next lesson, lesson number 18. Look before you leap. Now this lesson gives us a valuable message. So let's start to learn the lesson. First I will read the lesson. Long ago there lived two little frogs in a pretty little pond. Colorful water lilies grew in the pond. Fishes darted about and tiny insects buzzed around. The pond was full of life. The two frogs were very close friends. They had plenty to eat in the pond. All the day long, they played about jumping from lily pad to lily pad and diving headlong in the pond. They were the happiest little frog in the world. Now see the students. Long ago, so many days before, there lived two little frogs. Where they live? They live in a beautiful, beautiful small pond or small lake. And why the lake was beautiful? Because in that lake, in that pond, a beautiful, colorful water lilies grew. So, a fish and insects are move quickly in that water. Means the pond was full of life. Everything the two frogs friend were get in that pond. Everything they can get, they quite get for eating in the pond. So all the day, whole day, they are playing and jumping from lily pad to lily pad. Lily pad means one of the floating leaves of a water lily. Now you have to see in the picture. So like that way they can jump from lily pad to lily pad and diving headlong in the pond. Headlong means first they put their head in the water. So with the headlong they can swim in the water, and what they feel? They are the happiest frog in the world. Why? Because everything they get in this pond, there was the lilies, fishes, insects, and they get the enough, they get the plenty to eat, and because of this the frog friends feel they are the happiest frog in the world. Now see the next para. The frogs love the rainy season, but the rainy season does not last forever. The rain stopped and the weather became hot. Still, there was a lot of water and life in the pond. There was nothing to worry about. In winter, the frog friends found cozy little places at the edge of the pond. They spent most of their time sleeping and resting. Now see the students. In rainy season, we can saw the frogs. So the frog love the rainy season. But whole year there will be not a rain. After the rainy season, the weather become change. It become hot. But still in that pond there is a water. There are the lilies. Means the frog can live in that pond as how they live before the rainy season. But with these two friend frog, another frogs also lived, but they are worried. They thought in winter still water is there, but when the water will dry, where we can go? So before the hot summer season, they started to found the new cozy little place. And where they found the little place? At the edge. Edge means the border or the corner of the lake. So the another frog, they found new place to live, and they leave the lake. But these two frog friends still they was there in that pond, and most of their time they can sleep and rest on that lily pad. Means happily they can live in this lake. Understood, student, this much? Now see the last para. Soon it was summer. Now the days became very hot. With the hot sun blazing in the sky, the pond began to dry. Without water, the lilies dried up. There were very few insects to be found. The frog friends were worried. Do you think the whole pond will dry up? Now see the student. Now what happened? After the winter, there will be a summer season. Now we saw in a summer season how the climate, how the weather. Yes, it's very hot. So in summer, when the sun started to blazing means bright flame. So when in a summer season the sun become very hot, the pond started to dry. Why it become dried? Because of the sun's brightness, sun's bright flame. So which lilies grew in that water? The lilies also started to dry. So only few insects are remain in that pond. Now the frog friends were worried and they asked to each other, do you think the whole pond will dry up? Now they are worried and they ask, what do you think? The whole pond will dry? Whole water will dry in the pond? So student, understood this much lesson? Remaining part of this lesson we will learn in the next lecture. You have to read the lesson and revise the video.